quick update. Wasn't very happy with this guy. That it was slightly wobbly on one end, even though the eccentric nut under the carriage were tightened as much as possible. So I ended up removing this part and installing the nut directly on the bed, then putting the part on top, which solved the problem basically. You know that there's no plates, not wiggling. It works great. The only thing is it's gonna be a bit more complicated to install the belt, since we don't have the offset we had with the previous installation, but hopefully the print quality will be better, so happy with the solution.